Hello all, we are back on the game. I haven't even saw the market. Today is Friday, so for a whole week I did saw the market. I probably guess so on a Wednesday, but now I'm seeing the market. So pretty. Look at this, like that is only the reason I don't take this trade. Like I haven't took the trade. I just place the risk reward ratio to, like I was like, let's see what if we take the trade over here. I haven't took this trade, but thank God I haven't took the trade because the trade hit this stop loss. Look at this, beautiful. We can even give 10 pips, 14 pips more. 14 plus 14, 24, looks like 14, 14, 24, somewhere down there. And we could, I mean, this trade was still valid. Oh yeah, this was still valid, but I will still not take this trade because we are selling on super lowest point. I will never ever took this trade. It's playing out cool, but nah, I will not. Let's see other currencies. I will just